So for our screen designs, one, 20-year life cycle durability at a minimum is also critical. And the other aspect is having very low maintenance requirements. So our standard O&Ms, what we ask is that once a week, the operators will look at the pressure gauge on each of the screens to make sure that the spray bars are able to operate within the parameters. So if that pressure gauge is within certain parameters, then they don't have to do anything. If it's outside of those parameters, take off the inspection panel on the screen. And typically what you'll see is that one of those nozzles has got some grime and dirt on there. So just take a look. And that's usually indicated by, you'll see the area on the grid where the debris has not been removed. So you get a pretty good visual indicator which one it is. Just remove the grime from there. Maybe take a small piece of steel and just clean out that nozzle. Make sure that's clear. So we ask that to be done once a week. The others would be the gear motor and reducer. Once a quarter, just take a look at the oil level, make sure it's within there. Typically, we have sealed units, and they are designed to operate without any oil fill levels for at least 2 years. So, but that being said, we do ask that they do that inspection on a quarterly basis. Just a good O&M. And then the other aspect would be the bearing hinges on either side of the drive shaft. Once a month, just grease those. And the more often they're greased, you're going to have a very simple and effective maintenance procedure to extend the life of that equipment and make sure that its drive system operates as it should. And that's basically it.